Yellow. Let's put some music. Most of the people are on holiday, but eh, we can try this. Why not? Let me sing the music. Okay. And we are live. Let me just double check that everything sounds good. All right. Yeah, looks good. The other day, I actually had a nightmare that I did something weird in my stream. I'm having nightmares about my stream. What is that? Mm, 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 mm. Hello. Hi. Okay, I'm getting people. Sweet. Hello. Hello, everyone. Awesome. All right. So you also didn't have holiday today, like me. So thank you for joining. I really, really appreciate it. Hi, Kiran. Hi, Saritha. Hello. Hello. I sometimes like to be alone because I get to see all of your comments. And when I'm with a guest, I don't always put all of your comments here because I need to be respectful of other people's time. But I like to be alone sometimes because I get to talk to all of you and I can just be here. So, happy Independence Day. That's 4th of July, right? For the US? I'm not very good on holidays. But if that's what it is, then awesome. Alrighty. Let's do then. Oh, sorry. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Yo, what's up? Hello. Okay. So we are gonna do today Advent of Code. If you haven't seen that before, hi, you in UK. Oh, sweet. All right. If you haven't seen Advent of Code before, it's so much fun. It's supposed to be for like December because like Advent calendars, you do like from December 1st to December 24, 25. Um, and then you do like a challenge, a programming challenge a day. I did like 8, I want to say. I don't remember. Hi from USA, Virginia. Awesome. Hi from Portugal. Great. Yes, I'm also streaming on Facebook because we're just trying it out to see how it works. Hopefully, it looks good. I'm streaming right now on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, and Twitter. Let's hope everything looks good. Wherever you're watching from, you can follow us on twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community. So there, I think this is like the official place where we have all of our streams. So you can just go and follow us from Twitch. We have all of our previous recordings, the schedule, and so on. Hi, Santosh from India. Thank you for joining. Alrighty. So let's do this. Let's do Advent of Calendar. Ignore this. Advent of Calendar, did I say? Advent of Code 2022. All right. And oh, I worked a lot in Java, learning React now, then I will like to get deep into Mule, as I know it's written in Java and React. You won't see Java or React when working with Mule. It's just created on Java, but when you are working on Mule, you don't actually get to see Java. Like, you don't work with Java. That's not normal. Like, a MuleSoft developer does not have to know Java to be able to do their day to day. So if that's what you're expecting, that's not how it works. But if you just want to look at it as like how the Java developers created this thing, then yeah, for sure, that's gonna be interesting for you. It's still interesting for me. I think it's created with Spring Boot, if I'm not mistaken. Hello, Shiam. Thank you for joining. Hi. Yes, agreed. Okay, perfect. So you know what you're getting into. That's all I'm saying. Okay, we have this thing, and then Oh, wait a minute. Wait. I need to do something really quick because I have something here that I shouldn't have. Hold on. Or, well, not shouldn't have, but I don't want to show it to you. DataWeave, create new library project. Yes. Okay. No. Okay, perfect. Now I can show you. All right, let's use VS Code for DataWeave to solve the thing. Okay. All right, so I am not signed in. Log in, GitHub. Okay, I am signed in now. So I did until 9. I have 2 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am not sure. I'm gonna put the link in the chat so you can follow through if you want and try some of your own. Perfect. I'm gonna put myself in the corner as well. Okay. So I don't know if I want to do 10 because I remember like I stopped because it became so hard to do with DataWeave. Because DataWeave is a transformation language, right? It's not supposed to be like any other language. So it was hard. But let's see whichever I want to do. Maybe I can try the 25. Or maybe not. No, I feel like a spoiler. Let's try the 10. If it sucks, I'm not gonna do it. We can move on. I'm not gonna read all of it. Just let's see. Oh, I remember this. No, I'm not gonna do this. So it was supposed to be, and Shiam, since you're here, maybe you can create like some stuff to show everyone how to solve this, or you can just solve them and create your own repo so people know that you solved them. Because you rock. So this is a program basically. So this is what it's saying. This noop means that it begins, and then we have the cycle X, and it's adding. Oh, X is 1, and it's adding 3, and then is subtracting 5, and so on. So now you have this larger program. I don't think, like, I could do it with recursion, I guess, but I don't want to. I remember, like, I was having a little bit of issues with it. Maybe I can try later, but not right now. Okay, day 11. You have some notes, monkey 0, blah, blah, blah. And then, okay, starting items. These are your worry level. Okay. Operation shows how your worry level changes as that monkey inspects an item. An operation like new equals old plus 3 or times 5 means that your worry level after a monkey inspected the item is 5 times whatever your worry level was before. Okay. Test shows how the monkey uses your worry level to decide where to throw an item next. Divisible by 17, 13, divisible. Everything says divisible. If true, shows what happens with an item if the test was true. Oh! If false, okay. After each monkey inspects an item, but before it tests your worry level, your relief that the monkey's inspection didn't damage the item causes your worry level to be divided by 3. I guess here. No? Or just in general. And rounded down to the nearest integer. Okay. Oh my god, this sounds like a game. In the above example, the first round proceeds as follows. So it will go on. Oh my god. Okay. This is still like a recursion kind of thing, unless you can do it with redos. So no, skipping. I just want to find something that's not that hard because I want to do it in an hour. I don't want to do it in like 10 hours. Okay. So we have this example. You start in the top left corner. Your goal is near the middle, E. You could start by moving down or right, but eventually you'll need to head toward the E at the bottom. From there, you can spiral around to what? 21 steps. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Oh, you need to. Oh. Oh, okay. So, what? Few steps as possible. At most one higher. So if your current elevation is M, you could step to elevation N, but not to elevation O. So the letters, you mean? Yeah, I think it's because of the letters. Oh my god. Well, no. I feel like I'm not gonna find a single one that's not as hard. I mean, even the other ones, like, it took me hours to do them. How many pairs of packets are in the right order? Okay. For example, this packet data. Okay, this looks doable. I want to see. Okay. So compare this versus this. So you start with 1 versus 1. So this one and this one, I guess. And then 1 and 1. And then 3 and 5. Okay, so left side is smaller. So inputs are in the right order. Okay. And then we have this thing. So array 1 versus array 1. Oh, and then you have to go inside 1 versus 1. And then 2, 3, 4. Oh, because this is a whole array. Versus 4. Okay. Mixed types. Convert right. Okay, this sounds doable. Convert right. So this one to the array 4 and retry comparison. So this. And then compare 2 versus 4. Okay. Left side is smaller, so inputs are in the right order. And then what is... Okay, so this one is not in the right order. And we don't change them? We just leave it like that, I guess. Oh my god. Okay. What are the indices of the pairs that are already in the right order? Oh, okay. And the sum of the ones in the right order is 13. The sum of the indices or indexes, I don't know, is 13. Okay. Okay. That sounds doable. Maybe I'm not gonna do it in an hour, but let's try it out. I'm gonna start with something simpler, maybe. Okay, let's do just this one. So I can start the code. Yeah, just this one. So source, test, DW, my mapping. Okay, hope you can see. I think you can see. Okay. Let's remove all these things. What? Save and then define sample data. Oh, this should be like text, right? Payload.txt. Here's a payload. Let's do this for now. And let's do payload and run. Okay. You all can see, right? Sweet. Enable our preview. Perfect. All right, so first let's do lines. No, lines, no. Let's do split by, because eventually I'm gonna need the different splits. Why did you do that? Split by and why are you doing this to me? Stop moving. Oh, so you're the one that's moving. Oh, what? Okay. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so we have these two, and now we can compare the first one and the second one. So this one is easy because we have all of the numbers in the array that we needed, so that's cool. So what do we do, map or reduce? I think reduce. Oh wait, these are strings. I don't want them to be strings. Are all of them arrays? Yes. Arrays of numbers. Okay. So let's do map. And also, I don't know if you've seen me doing Advent of Code before, but they're not always like the best performant. I just want to deal with the problem and be done with it. Like, I don't try to make it... If I were to have a huge payload, it won't work, basically. Like, I have had some times where the code just does not run because the text is so big. So I just try to do the bare minimum to make it work. So if I do some things that just don't sound like something you would do for a project, that's probably true. And I am saying that because I may do like map inside map, or like reduce inside map or stuff like that. You shouldn't do that in your projects, but I just want to make this go away. So in summary, learn from the code that I'm doing. Don't believe that it's 100% performant. There may be a better way to do it. I'm just not looking at it right now. I'm just trying to do what my gut tells me to do. So, for example, now I ended up with an array of strings. You can see there's a quote here. So, this is a string and this is a string. And I want to make it an array. So, after the split by, I'm doing a map. Oh no. And maybe I can put them in different lines so you can see them better. And then I'm gonna do this as array. Hope that works. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Then how I'm thinking, I feel like there's a way to make it an array. What about read? Read string. Okay. Oh my god. What? Chill. Oh, we got it. Okay. What did we get here? Oh, yeah, it's a warning that I'm doing things wrong. I don't care. Okay. We have the thing now. Perfect. Now it's an array. Okay. Just leave me alone. So we have arrays now. Oh my god. This is not going to be performant at all. So just ignore me. Or what if I did the read on the top instead of doing the map? Would that work? Then read. It's not gonna work because it's an array. Oh, it has to be a string. Okay, yeah. Then it does have to be the map. Oh, well. Okay. Then we have these two, and now we have to compare all of the numbers. So this should go inside the map then. Let's do so I can have variables and stuff. So this is the raw data, and now we can separate it. Let's do bar or rs. Read that, and then let's do var left and right. Left is gonna be rs 0. Right is gonna be rs 1. Now let's see that we got it right. So left. Oh no, that's not what we wanted. Rs. Okay, so erases this whole thing. It should have worked. Oh no, because I'm in the map. So I'm here. Oh. Oh. Never mind. No. So this is just for the read then. I'm gonna do map and then map and then map. So brace yourselves. Then we have map, and here we're gonna do the do. And now we can do, for example, if I do this 0. Oh, what? Okay. What if I do then 0? Oh, sorry, 0. Okay, so here I don't have to do the map. Okay, never mind. So then I'm gonna put this whole thing up here. And this is gonna be, wait, was there a way to, no? DataWeave, extract, no. Wasn't there a way to extract this? Oh, here, extract variable global scope. Perfect. Okay, so now this whole thing is ours. Now if I were to do 0, this is left, okay, and 1 is right. Perfect. That's what I wanted. And then I need to compare them. So right now they all have the same amount of numbers. So I'm not gonna do any more checking for now. I will for the next ones. So let's start with 0. Now we'll do map. And now, so this is gonna be a number. What is happening here? Autocorrecting type from any to array. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go. Okay. So this is a number, and what I want to do is, if it's smaller, right? Lower integer, yeah. If the left integer is lower than the right integer, the inputs are in the right order. Okay. Okay. So this is lower than arrays 1 index. Okay, so we have false, false, true, false, false. And now all of them have to be, oh, okay, less or equal, right? The inputs are the same integer. Continue checking. Okay. So less or equal, I guess. Yeah, let's do less or equal for now. So in this case, this one is lower than this one. Oh my god, stop. I could also eventually give it like a point system. This is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. Or maybe not, that wouldn't work. Okay, never mind. We have this all true, so this will work. So on this, for example, left side is smaller, so inputs are in the right order. So I need to stop comparing as soon as I get to one conclusion. Is that what you're telling me? Nine, 4. Left side ran out of items, so inputs are in the right order. Okay. So if all of them are equal, then it's okay. Oh, right side ran out of items. So inputs are not in the right order. Okay, so because this one would be bigger because it has more items. Is that what you're telling me? But then, like in this one, where is it? In this one has less items, but it's comparing 2 versus 4, and 2 is smaller. Okay, so this should be maybe a reduce. Oh, because has something. Let's see what you got. I'm gonna comment out all of my stuff. Let's do var 1 equals payload split by n. And then var items 1 map item index item. What? Well, you don't really need this one. If you're just mapping item, it can just be, it's just like this. So you don't really need this one. You can just reference 1, or rather this would be items, I guess. And then you have items 0 equals items 1. Yes. Well, for this one it works, but then you don't know if one is smaller than the other one, which is what we're trying to figure out. Like, this one is smaller and this one is bigger. And I think I can't. Well, for this one I can, but if I were to have this, oh, save. What is happening? Then, oh, this is still true. How does that work? What if I put 8 or 9? False. Ah. Would that work? Okay. Let's see if that works. Oh my god, stop moving. Okay, so for this one, this is true. So the first one is smaller. I mean, maybe you're right, because maybe that's good enough. So these ones are in the right order. And then I'm just gonna try this one directly to see if that's good enough. Let me disable our preview because I don't want it to be moving around. But if I do 9 and then, so this should be false. Run it. False. Oh my god. Maybe that's our way to go. And then 4 versus 4. Oh, well, that's fine. Let's do 4 and 4. Oops. And run this. This is true. Yes, in the right order. Okay, so this is not in the right order. This should be false. This is where we're gonna have to check this stuff. This should be false. It's true. Okay, so yeah, it's not gonna work for all of our cases. It doesn't work there. And then this is supposed to be true. Let's try this. It's empty and 3. This is supposed to be true. And this false. Yeah, that's not perfect. Thank you, Vikas. Maybe we can use that when it has the right amount. So if it has, like, for example, this and this, that they all have the same amount of stuff. Oh, wait, but the other one. Oh, no, it doesn't have the same amount. Okay. So this, and it works there. So we could do. Oh, by the way, how are you doing this? Because. Oh, run. Oh, it's a string, but it still works. Oh, wait, maybe it's comparing the string, not the numbers inside. Yeah, length should be the same in this case. Okay. Well, it works. I don't care how it works. It works. So let's do then. I can put the auto preview again. If the length is the same, we can do this. So if size of items. Let me do right and left. I just feel better doing right and left. Left equals items 0. Right equals items 1. If size of left equals size of right, then we can do this. And now this can be left and right. Else, and then we do the other things. All right. So for now it works. This one is true, so this one works. It is smaller. Now we have this. Yeah, this versus 4. Or, well, we can start working on transformation of the other things. So this one was the first thing. And then we had this one. And then, so the first thing is that we can compare 1 versus 1. So how is that going to work here? Let me put this on hold and just output items. Because I just want to see what this is. Save. Okay. So we end up with this. And then left will be the whole line. Okay. So that's what we don't want. Do we? Or what if I do left 0? Oh, yeah. So I do, in this case, I do have to transform into an array because right now it's just a string. Okay, so going back to what I had. Okay, now it's an array. So left is this, and then left 0 is 1. Okay. And then left 1 is the other thing. Okay. So what will happen here? You cannot compare a value of type array. Okay, so we have to, because left is an array of arrays of number, and right is an array of array and a number. So we need to move that number, these 4, into an array. Okay. So if we do items, have the whole thing, and then map, and then it will be this. And then we have to do another map, I guess. Because if I try to do this, wait. Match case. Maybe I can just do. I'm thinking. Let's try to do a function, because I love doing recursive functions. So let's do fun, make arrays, and we're gonna get the items, which is an array, or well, items or value. It cannot be that. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to finish this on time, am I? And then, so value match case. How was a match case thing? DataWeave match case pattern matching. Oh, match, and then this thing, and then on the data type, case is blah, case is array. Then we call this again, make arrays with the value. Oh, wait, I need to do a map. Oh, well, this is gonna be not performant at all. So don't do this in your project. Oh boy. This case is array, and then how do I? Or actually I can just do value map. And then for every value inside here, I'm gonna call make arrays again. Oh boy, with the value. And then case is number. Oh, but then I'm gonna get to this. Damn it. And I'm gonna keep doing this over and over again. Okay, this is not gonna work. What if I only... Okay, no. So in this case, size of left, I think they're gonna be the same, right? Size of left is 2 and right is 2. Yes. But then I need to go deeper. So I cannot just do this. In this case... Oh my god. Okay. What happens if I do type of left? It just tells me array, but it doesn't tell me what the things inside are. I'm still inclined to do recursive functions. That's just the way I am. Because eventually, I don't need this anymore. Like on this one, I kind of will have to do recursive. No? Yeah, compare 1 versus 1. And then 2. And then the whole thing versus this other whole thing here. So you have to go inside and compare 2 versus 2. What if I were to flatten everything out? Would that work? 2 versus 2, 3 versus 3, 4 versus 4. Maybe I can just flatten everything. Okay, let's try flattening everything. Yes, that should work, probably. Let's see. Okay, items. And I can't just do flatten because flatten only works for the first part, right? Maybe it works here. Maybe we can just do that here. No, we can't. Doesn't work. Okay. Never mind then. Oh. Wait. No. Left. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it works in this case. And right. Okay. So let's do then left. I have this whole thing. Let's flatten. It works. And then let's do right. And flatten. Yeah. And it works. Okay. So now let's try to compare and see if that works. Okay. Oh, because they're not the same size. Okay. So wait. So it will be like 1 and 1, 1 versus 1, 2 versus 4. Okay, maybe I can extract. Because I don't, yeah, okay. Let's extract. So size of, or whichever is smaller. Let's do an array. Size of left. And size of right. Ah. Oh, stop it. Okay, So we have 4 and 2. And then we're gonna get the lower number. Was it lower? Yeah, lower. What? Array, but it respects of string. Oh, then no, wait, that's not. Sorry, it's mean. Yes. Okay. 2. Now that we have 2, then we can extract. Or I can just keep doing else if to make it easier, honestly. Else if size of left is lower than size of right, which is not this case, right? Size of left, no. So we'll do this later. Else yes, else, and then we extract. So then this is 4, this is 2. I'm trying so hard to concentrate. So I want to subtract from the left. Okay. Left 0. You know what? I'm gonna do a variable because I just keep using this thing. Left length. No. Left and L. Oh, how do I call this? Size left. Yeah, sure. I love making variables when I can because it makes my code more readable, I think. Maybe not. Size right. This thing. Size right. Okay, so size left here and size right here. Okay. So now we're gonna do left and then extract to size right. -1. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. So that minus or equal to right. What? 1 and 2. Yes. And then right. What is right? 1 and 4. Right. So what's the big deal? Oh, because this is not a string anymore. Oh my god. And we were doing this because this was a string. Oh my god. Oh no, but we changed it. Oh, and it worked. No, never mind. This is, yeah, this is an array. So what is the big deal with you then? You can compare a value of type array. What? But this is array. This is array. What do you mean? Okay, wait. Let's try something really quick here. So if I have 1 minus or equals 2, it doesn't let me. But what? We have this thing here. Oh, or maybe because it's not going there, it's not comparing it. Ah, damn it. So if I were to, let's put this, if I were to put the other thing back, then it maybe doesn't work now because it's not a string anymore. Maybe I can just make it a string. Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Okay. So let's make it a string then. Can I do left as string and right as string? And that's all? Nope, I can't. What if I don't do the read? Okay. Items string. Whoops. And items are. Don't do this. Items string doesn't have the map read. And items array has the map read. So maybe these can be just items string with the read. And then this is going to be items array, items array. Okay. And now if I do here, I want to have items string 0 and items string 1. Okay, that works. So we're back to true here. Now let's do the same with this one then. After doing all the transformations, oh my god, stop moving. Oh, save. Ah, damn it. Yes, 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 I understand. After doing all the transformations, oops. So here, okay, we're good here. And now I want to make this a string. Can I do that? No. How can I transform? Maybe with reduce? Would I have to go with reduce? Is there a better way? Not here. Where's my thing? Hold on. That's why I have a cheat sheet. It's not updated, but it still works sometimes. Come on. For functions. Okay. So I want to do array to string. Oh, join by. Oh my god, yes. How did I forget that? Join by. Oh. How did I forget that? Honestly. So okay, so we're transforming this, and I wonder if that's good enough. Maybe that's good enough. So that, and then less or equal to, and then we have right joined by, comma. Cannot coerce string to array. What do you mean? So that we have it. And we have that. Maybe you need parentheses. True. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is working. So this one was supposed to be true. Yes, in the right order. And then pair 3, not in the right order. So let's try pair 3. This is supposed to be false. Yeah, I can see that this is going to be false. Save this, and now we have to implement. Yes, yes. Oh my god, yes, I understand this thing. So this is basically the same that we just did, but the other way around. So this is going to be this. We take that from there and put it here. And this is size left. Okay, we end up with a false. Sweet. And this is supposed to be true. The right order. Oh, and then 7 is not in the right order. Okay, so we're gonna have to add a little tiny thing, change to that. Okay, so this is supposed to be true. Yes, perfect. And now this is supposed to be false. So now we need to change that piece. Okay. Yes, yes, you are true. I can see that. So this size left is bigger. So this is, yes, let me just put a comment here. Size left is bigger than size right, or like left is bigger than right. So this is our case. We need to change this then. How should I change this? Because this only happens when all of the numbers are the same. Because, for example, in this one, this has more numbers than this one, but 2 is smaller than 4. If all of the numbers are the same, what if I do another thing and check if all of the numbers are the same? Then whoever has the most numbers is the winner. I feel like that would be the simplest way. But how to do that? And also, I will eventually have to change this flatten because it has worked so far because we don't have that many things, but it won't work with this one. And also, what's up with this? Like, if there's nothing there, then what? Where is it? This. Right side, run out of items, so inputs are not in the right order. Oh, so it still matters how many items you have. Interesting. Well, I'm out of time, but this looks interesting. So like basically we need to check if like well, let me make notes. To do, or maybe at the top. To do, make a nested Latin function. To do, compare between same number arrays. Whoever has more numbers wins. And then what else did I say? Oh, and then the empty arrays. Deal with empty arrays. All right, so that's all then. I didn't get to finish it, but it looks like super doable. Like comparing to the other awful things. So that's good. And I'm gonna leave it there then. Next time that I see you, oh wait, where is my, yeah, sweet. Next time that I see you, it will be this Thursday, 6 at the same time with Michael McDonald. You already heard about Michael before. We did a stream about architecture. So he is going to do secure your data and integrations with Salesforce via Private Connect. So that's going to be interesting. This was interesting, Alex. Thank you for sharing. Take care. Yay. Thank you, Shayna. I love that you like that. All right. So yes, I will see you then in 2 days with Michael to look at private cloud. You said private cloud? I'm blanking. Where is it? Private Connect. Sorry. We'll see how to do Private Connect with Salesforce. So exciting. I don't know if that's like an architecture thing. Maybe it is, but sounds good. Last time Michael did anything was about architecture, so perfect. And feel free to finish this challenge and send it to me. I would love to see what you come up with. And I will see you then in 2 days. Remember to follow us on twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community because we have there all of our previous recordings, the schedule with when are we coming live and when we are not, so you can always be up to date. And also we have what? Oh, you receive notifications as soon as we are live. If you download Twitch on your phone, you can just sign in and you will get notifications on your phone. So yeah, make sure you do that. All right, I will see you then in 2 days. I hope you like this session. Please share link. The twitch.tv. Hold on. Where is my LinkedIn? Because you're writing from LinkedIn, so I'm gonna post it in LinkedIn. There it goes. There's a link. I shared it in LinkedIn. Twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community. All right, that's all then for this session. I hope you had fun and keep doing Advent of Code stuff. They're pretty fun. I don't know if I will finish them one day in DataWeave because of course I want to do it in DataWeave, but it's so hard. All right, then I'll see you in 2 weeks. Follow us. Bye.